Aryan Khan has been given a clean chit by the NCB in the drugs cruise case. He has not been named in the charge sheet filed by the agency in the case along with 4 others. The son of Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan was arrested in connection with the Mumbai cruise drugs case early in October. After several court hearings and 26 days in custody later, the Bombay High Court granted him bail on October 28th. He finally walked out of jail on October 30th, just in time for his father's birthday. In an appeal to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Rajasthan Minister Ashok Chandna has sought to be relieved from his post over the conduct of Kuldeep Ranka, the CM's principal secretary. Without elaborating on his differences with Ranka, Chandna said that the principal secretary should be handed his portfolios as he apparently considers himself the minister of all departments. Underplaying Chandna's reaction, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot said, and I quote, "Chandna is under a lot of work pressure. He might have come under tension and made a statement. We should not take it seriously. I am yet to speak to him." Congress MP Karti Chidambaram has alleged that certain officers of the Central Bureau of Investigation seized sensitive documents during the raid on him in connection with the case related to bribes for illegal visas to Chinese workers. In a letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker, he said, and I quote, "In the course of this so-called raid, certain officers of the CBI seized my highly confidential and sensitive personal notes and papers pertaining to the Parliamentary Standing Committee for Information and Technology, of which I am a member. I have become the victim of a grossly illegal and patental unconstitutional action," he said. Delhi-based author Gitanjali Shree and American translator Daisy Rockwell won the International Booker Prize for their novel Tomb of Sand. Originally written in Hindi, Tomb of Sand is the first book in any Indian language to win the prestigious award. Shree's book, originally published as Ret Samadhi, was described by the judges as loud and irresistible. This is the first Hindi language book that was shortlisted in the £50,000 prize. The prize money will be split between Gitanjali and Rockwell.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.